Wanted to share another activity with you called Bowling for Dollars. And this is how I set it up in my gym. You can see we've got 6 lanes, we've got 10 pins at a lane, and about 3 or 4 students in each group. There is a rotation that the students have to follow. They have a bowler and the pin setters and the ball returner, and they follow that rotation. The bowler gets 2 shots, pin setter clears the pins and sets the pins, and the ball returner will roll the ball back to the bowler or take it back up to be the bowler after the second shot. There is a score sheet that they will reference throughout the game, and depending on the number of pins that they knock down will determine how much money that they earn for their turn. We have some score sheets that are over at each station where the bowler will bowl, or at each lane. I'm using these Smart Dock holders by Gopher. They go right on top of the cone. And I just slip the sheet right inside there so the kids can reference. I got 8 pins down in 2 shots. That's going to be worth $20. And they'll come over to the banker, which I'll show you in a second. So you can see we have lanes set up here, and they're about 25-30 feet away. So I have them bowl from the white line, as you can see, and they will bowl towards the pins about 30 feet away. And after their turn, they will come up and tell me how many pins that they knocked down. So they'll come over to this little desk right here, and this desk is where the banker will be. If you have a student with a medical or someone that can't participate, they can be the banker. Otherwise, I'm typically the banker, and I'll hand out the money. I'll use the iPad as the reference. So a kid comes up and says, I got 7 pins down. I know that 7 pins is worth 15 bucks. I can pay them $15, and they bring it back to their team. Usually just add all of their money together, pile it up right by their cone, and at the end of the game they can add up all the money that they earned, and they can figure out what their total amount was. So we call it Bowling for Dollars. Fun activity you can use with 1st through 5th. I'm using it with 3rd through 5th grade this week in PE.